guys, in today's video we will be doing a no glue slime recipe. The things you will need is some coconut water shampoo, a bowl, a spoon, water, and salt. First, take your bowl and put some coconut water shampoo. Once you're done, add some water, but be careful how much you add. Then, stir it up. And add your salt. You will start to see that it is really thickening up. Just keep on mixing and then it will become slime. It is sort of sticky, so I'm just going to keep on mixing it. You can see that it is made like very cool, like little slime bowl. But be careful, because if you add too much salt, then it will be melted. Thank you.